Right, today I will show you guys how to replace front brake pads on 2017 Lexus 2017 IS200t. I already finished one side, front driver side. Right now I'm working on passenger side. Um, I already loosed it up. Just need to remove it. Got it loosed up. See? Right. Let me bring it up. I don't want to bring it all the way up. I just want it, I have room to remove it. A little bit more. More. There we go. Looks like it's up. Yeah, that's good. Now I need to remove this first. Here's 21. Yeah, I've watched videos because I have never worked on replacing, this brand new or newer vehicles, and they have the different kinds of design for the calipers and the way they build up the brake pads housing for this one. And I've seen it, so now I know how to do it. And put my gloves on. Take it out. Alright, so I got the tires out. Oh, don't want to do that. Oh, my back. Alright, now what I need to do is so if you can see, my rotors basically parallel to the car, and I will bring this, turn my steering wheel to the point where I can have this about 45 degrees from the direction of the car, and it would be easy for me to work on. So I'll do that right now. setting up. Yeah, okay, so as you can see, it's active facing the camera right here. Right, so now I didn't know I used to have old IS200. Well, I never actually work on that, but I'm pretty sure it's more generalized towards the previous cars that I have. But the first thing you need to do once you get this facing this way, you need to have a long nose. Grab your long nose. If you have a long nose, it'll be great. It will help you. You will need either a screwdriver to it, and what else do you know? This is what I usually use for my other cars, but in this case, it's a little different. So I could just use my long nose to adjust, to push my, to retract the pistons of the brakes. So let's see. Okay, so we grab the pin first. Take the pin out. See this? The pin of this one, you can see, it's a slightly smaller than the one I have for the brand new replacement, but I think yeah, it's slightly smaller. I will use the newer one I have. I'm just gonna have this direct, when I install it, I'm just gonna have it direction this way instead of, this way, vertical instead of horizontal. All right, so now I got the pin out. I will push this as I can do it, and then I just push this rotors out and take this thing out. Hopefully you can see it. It's a little, the reflection of the sun preventing to give me a good view. So, all right, I could have lights, but I think that's okay. All right, so now I got the rods removed. I just need to push the piston back to retract the pistons. That way I can remove it and I can put the new one. So what I do, I just use my long nose, or anything that you can use, like maybe well, I got this out, but I still need to move it all the way out. Oh, they put two? Why would you have two? Wow, I guess they forgot to remove it. Okay, where is my, 1 second. I think I have it right here. If I can put this in, because this will be able to penetrate. I'll use this. It will penetrate. I will use it. It looks like it does it. So let's see this one. No, right. I'm just gonna use my long nose. I'll be able to use this to push it, and I think I can be able to also push it this way. Cause I don't wanna. I've seen this guy. What he did. Where's some flat screws? He has the flat screws, and then he was using it against the rotors to the brake pad to kind of push the piston back in, right? And I don't want to do that because I don't want to damage my rotors. I don't want to replace my rotors right now. So I'm just gonna push this and have the pads still there. Use it against the rotors, and I can push this back in there. See, easy. Push this back. this back as far as I can get it in. Okay. Okay. And then I'll do the same on this side. First, I will push it. There, like that. Then now I got it. And then I push it back in against the rotors, not against the pads or the pad instead of the rotors, and push the piston back in. You know what I mean? Okay, so I got that done. I got the first one. Got the second one out, and I'm not sure if I have enough room there, because this one looks like it needs to be pushed back in. Let's see. I think I might just gonna put this back in there. Okay. Okay. All right. And this one also. Okay. All right. There you go. Then put the new one back in there. So where is my new pad? So this is my replacement right here. I ordered online. I received this, got this about a month ago, but I didn't get a chance to work on it until today. Well, I was actually waiting until, you know, because I still have like, I think I have like about 1/8 the last time when I went to the dealer, have them work on my, to have them service the car. And so I said, okay, I have a couple of months before I need to replace it. And I feel like right now is the time to replace. So I replaced it. All right, make sure it's clean. Wipe it off, you know. Put it back in there. Okay. Looks like I need to push that a little bit more, and I will. Okay. So. The one that has pin, like this one right here, hopefully you can see it right here. The one that has pin goes in toward the inside. That will tell you if your pads on the inside is running out or need to be replaced, because it will give you a squishy sound. Come on, get in there. I need to push it in a little more. Come on. Push this. And the other one. Where's the other? Okay, right here. Oh, no. Okay. I use this against that, and I will push this back in there. Yeah. Just never directly to the rotors. You know what I mean? I don't want to damage my rotors. Just want to get it in there. There. See? It's in. And put this on. Wipe it off. Make sure it's clean. You don't want anything that goes between the pads and the rotors. This one too, I need to kind of move it back. All right. push this against, and push this there. There, got it. All right. Oh yeah. Wait a minute. Well, wait a minute. Yeah, he has a pin right there. See? Pin cover right there. I don't need to put another one. I mean, not pin, but what the thin layer metals, stainless metal to protect the parts. So got it there. It's in. Now, of course, put this back in there. The rotors goes in, right? Oh. Okay. Push this, and then push. Okay. See, push that. Yeah. Right. There you go. Then we need to. Oh, you know what? Okay. Okay. Here's the pin. We're gonna put the pin in. So where is the old pin that I have? Okay. If you can see how all the new pins, the old one. Let's see. Put it this way. Okay. Oh shoot. Wait. Hold on. Come on. Okay, got it. So, yeah, here you go. So, I don't know if you can see it clear, but yeah, the old pin is smaller than the new one, but it's still going to work. So, I'm gonna put it in. Oh yeah, baby. Come on, man. Go in there. Okay. All right. Sometimes it gets tricky, but just be patient. Be patient with it. Patient. And hook it up. Yeah. Oh yeah. Alright, I gotta turn this on. Turn it to. I had to turn it. Let's push this and turn it. Push and turn. There. Okay. I'm pretty much done. All I need to do is, well, not quite done, but I mean, all I need to do is put this pin back in there, and then put the tire back, and that's it. Get ready to go to work after that. Oh shoot. This thing is crazy. I think they give me a good bit when I go in there. I have to modify it. Now I'm just gonna get the old one. Yeah, it doesn't want to go through. All right. You don't have to give me a hard time right now. Why? At least the hole is not actually penetrating. All right, I have to check this out. So I have to investigate what I have problems there. Okay, so the hose is good. Let's see what's up. Why would you not go in there? Okay, I can do something. Come back. Man, that should have been done by now. Let's see. All right, so here we go. I made some adjustments. Am I trying to put it now? Let's check it first. This would finally work, I guess. All right, let's do it now. Yeah, like that. Okay. Now, let's put the pin. I have to adjust this pin too. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh, shoot. See, I should put on my gloves. Something. What's my other one? Almost there. Almost there. Almost there. Really just didn't want to penetrate in there. Oh no. Ay. Okay, look. I know what I'm doing wrong. It's funny. There you go. Damn. Okay, one more. Realize what was the problem. Just need to tighten this up a little bit more. Okay. Yeah. Okay, I got it now, though. I got it now. Dummy. Okay. There. So it is. Stuck. It's like so easy to move. I don't want it to be easy to move. Alright. Here's the old one back in there. I'm done. There you go. It took me 32 seconds, 32 minutes. Put that back in there. Come on. Well, bear with me. It was actually my first one, my first time replacing my brake pads, front brake pads for IS200t. And yeah, all I need to do is return the tires back in there, and I should be good to go. Where's my gloves? Alright, so now I have my rotors mounted to the car, so I can put the tires back in there. Tire back in there. Connect it back in there. So, yeah, just want to verify it. Got that. Again, it's connected. Just want to check it for once. Almost done. One second. That's this. I can turn this on like this. Kind of curved it. Close it. No nose fire yet. But yes. If I can curve it, I think I would just want to make sure my brake pads will be secure, because that's what's holding them together. Is just this pin. So just make sure. I'm going to turn this a little bit. Okay. Then I can hold it this way. Okay, then I would put this instead of the other one. Put the loop in. There. There. Okay, good. Okay, good. All right. What's that? 39? Oh my goodness. 39 minutes. Patient. Picking up trust right now. That's why it's nice. This time I'm using my third rinse. Okay, I haven't checked, but the force I usually use to when I tighten my screws to my nuts to the tires, or to the, to put the tires back on. Um, this one I use 60 foot-pounds. I don't know if it's too much, but yeah, I use 60 foot-pounds of torque wrench. See. Okay. Woo. All right, I'm done. All right, kind of holding me back there about my pin. So I'm gonna put the pin back in there. Kind of hold me, and I wasted about, I don't know, about 10 minutes, 10-15 minutes in there. So it could have been just 30 minutes. All right, later. Thank you.